Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing the pepper from Grow A Garden. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. Let's start on the top right and let's draw the stem. Let's draw an angle up and bring it down. And the same thing underneath to form a diamond shape. Now from both ends, let's bring it down. And then a longer line down in the center. Now let's close off the bottom with 2 angles down and in. Now that we're done the stem, we can start drawing the pepper. From both sides, we're going to hop up slightly from the bottom and we're going to draw an angle down and out. And then let's angle it back in to the middle here. Now from the ends, let's draw 2 small lines down. And another one in the center. And now let's close off each side by angling it down and in towards the center. Now for the next section on the sides, let's bring it up slightly and angle it back in on top. And then from the outer corners, let's bring it down on both sides. And then let's hop to the middle and let's draw a longer line down. And again, let's close it off with 2 angled lines. Now underneath for the next section, we're going to start to curve it over to the left. Let's start underneath on the left, we're going to step in and let's draw an angle down. And another one next to it over here. And connect it with an angled line at the end. Next from the bottom corner, let's bring it down and over to the right. And angle it back over and up on the right side. Now for the next section, we'll start on the left again. We're going to step down and let's draw an angle out and over to the left. And another one across the middle here. And then close it off at the end with an angled line. Now from the bottom corner, let's bring it down. And then let's angle it back up and over on the right side. Now on the bottom left, let's draw the end of the pepper. Let's leave a gap and let's draw an angle up. And then another one next to it. Now let's close off the top and the bottom with 2 angled lines. Now from the 2 top corners, let's draw 2 small angles up and over. And close it off at the top. Now we're going to hop to the bottom corner and let's angle it up. And a line down to close off the side here. Now to finish the pepper, let's fill in the gap by drawing 2 angled lines back in. And that's it for this pepper. Now let's quickly color it in. and done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!